horses are riding, we off the handles. It's the heat, cause we bringing all the kitchens out. Oven mitts for little kids, what you bitching about?
Get some beers. Hold on.
Honey stay mingling. I'm just getting started, yeah, I'm trying to hit the swing of things. You love the green, but you hate the red. It's like you love the sex, but you hate the head. There's no difference, I finish all of your dinners. That means I'm taking your place, it's no mistake that you all beginners. You miss me, rinse and repeat, it's Rich TV. You miss me, I'm the one, Jet Li. It's time that we get popping now.
You got it here. Rock it up.
You should even shop around. You should buy a pair of boots. Hated is my stomping ground. This is how the market goes. It's round and round we go.
I like the sound of this. Oh, yeah.
Where it stops, we just don't know. Don't panic, don't panic. White stands up all your dough. Just back and watch the show. Pray that you'll just strike some gold. Don't panic, don't panic. Market makers are heartbreakers, the soft stages. Bring the heat with Kenny just like it's Las Vegas. You hard haters are all fakers. I mob like dog calls you on another song. I don't pause, baby. I don't panic, I just mix it up like Shaka Khan. You stay tripping on the sides like a soccer mom. And when it's on, I transform like Decepticon. I can tell your whole future looking at the devil's palm. You're too weak, bro, cause you looking at a 52-week low. These are opportunities to seize, yo. No peace, though. I don't cheat. I just move when I cruise to the G code. Put the limit in. Stop it if you have to. This is mathematics for addicts to latch to. Rich TV live, he a swell guy. He'll teach you how to buy low and to sell high. Yeah, I get money cause it's all sweet. You looking at the real wolf of Wall Street. Yeah, I get money cause it's all sweet. Yeah, you looking at the real wolf of Wall Street. This is how the market goes. It's round and round we go. Where it stops, we just don't know. Don't panic, don't panic. Why you spend up all your dough? Just sit back and watch the show. Pray that you'll just strike some gold. Don't panic, don't panic. Something has to be done about this. Mr. Attorney, this is what I pay you for. What can I do? Litigation it is. Get the wheels in motion. Quickly. ASAP. Quick.
So, shout out to Ill Kid, man. Yeah, legend. It's legend status right there. Ill Kid. So, I'll be honest with you guys. The markets might be red tomorrow. Okay. Futures are down. Trump let out a tweet. Things are off the chain already about tariffs and Trump and China trade. Man. And everybody's running scared. I see it on CNBC. Oh, futures are down. I'm like, oh, you got to go put it on CNBC, eh? They put it on CNBC. I got the alert from CNBC. Futures down 400 points. I'm like, oh, shit. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, man. So, I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm scared. Are you guys scared? I'm a little scared, but that's why I was playing Don't Panic, because I don't think we should panic, but I am a little scared. I don't know about you guys. You know, it's time to have a Red Bull tomorrow instead of trading. That's why I'm having a Budweiser. Crack open a Budweiser. Yo, don't drink and drive. Do not smoke and fly. Hey, thank you guys for the 6 likes. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. Thank you guys. And thank you guys that are watching all over the world. You guys are the best community right here. You know, it's crazy. And it's nice to be able to be on YouTube and just have a Budweiser. Why the hell not, right? It ain't illegal to drink, right? It's totally legal to drink. I ain't driving anywhere. You're buying more YOLO before it blows up, eh? When market crashes, Bitcoin goes up when the market crashes, eh? That looks cold, the beer. Yo, it's cold, man. It's ice cold, man. It's ice cold. That's the only way to drink beer. You're ready to spend if you see blood? You're looking for the red, eh? Oh, thank you guys for the 18 likes. We just jumped from 16 likes to 18. You guys are the bomb, man. Best community right here. Best community on show business. So I did a video today with Jimmy about Julian Lewis Trading Academy. And this guy is super cool. And he was just like, oh my God, I can't believe I'm talking to Rich TV. And I was like, bro, I'm just a normal guy, man. He's like, no, you're a normal guy doing above average things. I'm like, yo, bless. I'm like, you guys are the bomb, man. It's crazy. Love you guys, man. Best community here, man. And he's just like, I can't believe I'm talking to like a celebrity. And I was like, bro, there ain't no celebrity here, man. There's not even close. I go, I'll let you know when it's there, but it ain't even there. Jeez. Made me feel good. But that guy's a celebrity, man. If you watch that video, that guy is smooth, man. I was like, whoa. I was like, he's like, oh, afterwards, he's like, Rich, I was so nervous. I was like, you were nervous? You were great, bro. I was like, damn, you made me nervous because you didn't look nervous. I was looking at you. I'm like, why is this guy not nervous? Like, shit. It's like not his first time on TV. He's good. Sell in May and go away. Why does everybody say that? You guys are scaring me. Why are we going to sell in May and go away? What's going to happen? We're going to go away until when? Last year, the cannabis stocks exploded at the end of July. May, June, July. You can't go away for too long. Don't want to go away for too long and miss the explosion. You want to be there for that explosion. You know what I mean? You don't want to miss the explosion. Beyond meat, is it time for shrimp? I don't know, man. You guys think it's time for shrimp? Some of our members are going big on CGC right now. They're going big on Canopy Growth. So members are going big on Canopy Growth. I don't know, man. So there's a lot of opportunities out there. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to tell you guys some of the stocks that I'm really watching. Meta. Guys, take a look at Meta, man. I gotta share it with you guys. This is what I've been talking about in the group chat. Meta. It's the 5th highest revenue generating cannabis company in Canada. 5th. 82 cents. What's up with that? National Access Cannabis. Guys, look into it. Meta. I'm telling you guys, man, nobody else does this. I bring you guys these things before anyone's even heard of them before. You guys don't know Meta? They made $16 million in the quarter. $16 million in the quarter. Meta. Another stock that I think is starting to get into undervalued territory is Fire. I just think it's such a good company and it just doesn't go anywhere ever. So it's probably going to be acquired or something, but they're damn cheap and they're a good company. Very good company. Okay. Another company that I think everyone needs to be watching is Rivers. Okay. I love Canopy Growth. So clearly I like Canopy Rivers. Canopy Rivers is Canopy 2.0. Everybody knows this. Yes, Fire is slow, but it's a great company. So it's most likely going to get bought out if they can't get their stock going. Or they're going to get their stock going. And there's going to be an explosion when you least expect it. That's just the way it goes. So, yeah, Meta has a US ticker. What is Meta's US ticker? It's a good question. Just search Rich TV Live Meta on YouTube and it pops up National Access Cannabis. NACNF. NACNF. National Access Cannabis. Meta in Canada, NACNF in America. Yeah, I think Alethea is dirt cheap. I think Medman is dirt cheap. I think Zenabis is dirt cheap. I think Australis, AUSA, is dirt cheap right now. So I think there's a lot of really good opportunities out there right now. I think HIP has been on the move. Let's watch HIP. They're doing that deal any day now with Hexo. Watch HIP, and Vivo, Oxley. These are all companies that are just so beaten down, but long-term, they're going to be giants. They will. They're going to be giants. Mark my words. I said the same thing about Organogram when they were at $1. Now they're making $26 million a quarter. They had pesticides. I remember doing videos 2 years ago saying, mark my words, this company one day is going to be $10. Here we are, going to the senior exchange. The only thing that held them up is they had pesticides. They had issues with pesticides. I do like Agra. I own Agra. I have thousands of shares of Agra. Yeah, I like Medman a lot. I like a lot of companies. I like a lot of good companies that are right now, I feel like at bottoms. And then there's a couple companies that are just exploding that you have to love, just like Canopy Growth. I mean, it's crazy what Canopy Growth is doing. Canopy Growth has over $8 billion in the bank. $8 billion in the bank, Canopy Growth. It's like, what? How many billion? 8 billion? Yeah, Canopy Growth has $8 billion, man. Eight $8 billion, man. $8 billion in the bank. $8 billion in cash and assets in the bank for Canopy Growth. Ain't nobody else got anywhere close to $8 billion in cash and assets in the bank like Canopy Growth. $8 billion. I was talking to the community about that. In 5 years, has there ever been a company ever do that before, ever, other than Canopy Growth? Justin, Canopy Growth has $8 billion in the bank, bro. $8 billion in 5 years. Show me another company that's done that. I'm just saying, I want to know. Show me another company that's done that. Can you guys show me another company that's made $8 billion? $8 billion in 5 years in the bank in cash and assets? And they only have $1 billion in liabilities, 1.3 or something. And they have like 8.6 billion in cash and assets. It's crazy. So our members are buying Canopy Growth. I like Believe. I believe and believe. I think that they're dirt cheap, and I think one day they will resurrect. There's a lot of these good companies, man, that are really cheap right now. So it's kind of like picking cherries. It is. It's like picking cherries. I did a video today on Afria. I think Afria should be on everybody's alert. I really think Afria should be on everybody's alert. Another stock that's been really crazy and a lot of members have been making a lot of money on is BAM. So this one has been highly volatile. Volatility is what day traders love and swing traders love. BAM has been going up and down and down and up pretty violently. So if you're looking for a stock that's going to go up and down, it went down on Friday, which means it might go up. It might go down more. I don't really know. But there's a lot of people talking about it, and there's a lot of people day trading it. So if you're into BAM, let me know what you guys think for tomorrow. Is BAM a buy or a sell tomorrow? I'm drinking 2 beverages. Double fisting. APH is a good buy when it bottoms. The key is, when is the bottom, Kevin? When is the bottom? Juju. I haven't heard Juju's name in so long. Yeah, I've heard of Planet 13. I really like them. They've been doing a lot of work in Vegas. They apparently did some work with Mike Tyson. Oh, they did some work with Mike Tyson. So it's a good company. I think this company has huge potential, Planet 13. I think tomorrow is going to be a very interesting day. And I think that there is going to be a lot of volatility tomorrow. It's going to be like a war zone. And the thing is with the cannabis stocks is, if the rest of the industry does very, 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 very well, then the cannabis industry is going to do well regardless of what the rest of the world does. However, if the rest of the world pulls down, there's always a chance that the cannabis stocks are going to pull down. People panic and they're going to sell. BMMJ is supposed to do some work with Evander Holyfield. Cool. I like BAM. I've made money on BAM twice. So I like the volatility in it. Trump, 200 billion plus tariffs. Yeah, that's pretty brutal. It's a lot of tariffs. 200 billion is a lot of tariffs. That's a lot of tariffs. Mr. Trump, what are you doing to us, Mr. Trump? Why you got to drop so many tariffs on a weekend? My goodness. Bloody Monday. Cannabis in a year is going to be flooded with MJ. With MJ. Okay. Crypto Liberty, 325 billion to be exact. What? That's how big the tariffs are? That's ridiculous. That's some ridiculous amount of tariffs. It's a lot of revenue for America, though. Because China and Russia have been training together? Okay. Yeah, I don't know about any of that stuff. We have 36 likes. Wow. Wow. 87 people, 36 likes. Thank you guys for all the likes. 39 likes. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. You guys are the best community out there right now. I don't see any other community that can top you guys. Marijuana, MJ, marijuana, the last 6 days. Google it. Everybody's scared that the cannabis sector is going to implode. But the thing they don't understand is the cannabis sector is just getting started. That's fear. Those are fear. Like out here in Vancouver, nobody's buying cannabis from the dispensaries that are legalized. Nobody. So there's tons of room for the public companies to get a piece of Vancouver. Nobody's buying from them yet. So I don't know how people can say they're going to be flooded. They'd actually, if you're saying they're going to be flooded, you actually are not on these streets. You don't know what's actually happening on the streets. It's not just the tariffs, it's the Iran oil boycott, aka more USA tariffs, not to mention potential huge war building up in Middle East with Israel bombing Gaza, and US just sent a carrier to Middle East. Oh, brutal. China market is down 4%. Yeah, that tells you the story. It's going to be a red day tomorrow. Overall, I can tell you right now. It's going to be a shorting day. The shorters will be out. They are feasting right now. All the news is circulating. CNBC's putting it out there. All the shorters are getting ready. Trust me. What's going on, people? Thank you for joining us. 90 people here. We are live on YouTube, the greatest streaming platform on earth. 91 people, 48 likes. Thank you guys for the 48 likes, man. That means a lot. Yeah, Joe, I'm feeling a bloodbath, bro. I'm not talking about the cannabis stocks. I'm just talking about the overall markets because we're seeing it everywhere. China's down, futures are down. I mean, what do you think that means? The S&P is going to be down. Futures are the future. You are going to see the S&P 500 will be down. Everything will be down. You're working on 1,000 shares of ACB. You're going to get there, man. 971. You're almost there. Be greedy when others are fearful. Yes, very true. FFT. FFT is just dead, man. The Canadian government needs to start handing out retail licenses at a higher rate. I'm sure they will. So, Joe, what is your strategy then? You want people to go away in May and pray every year. What do you mean by that? Joe, can I call you right now? Are you available? Let me call you. Let's talk. 'Cause I'm feeling like it's going to be a red day. I want to know your opinion. I'm calling you. Don't drink and drive, and don't smoke and fly, okay?
I can't hear you.
Yo, Joe.
Yo, what's up, brother?
What's up, man?
You hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
The go away in May and pray is because all the rich people, it's nice out. Nobody wants to be sitting near the computer. Everybody goes away, goes up to the cottage, puts their money into the long-term investments and the good stocks, or in gold or silver, whatever's not going to do too much movement. And stay away from the day trading flips, where you're gonna see so many what do you call it? Like just the day trades where it's like up down, like you know what I mean? I'm thinking how to say it. Like like if you're looking at the graph, the bar graph or whatever, and 2 days it's down and all these day traders are going to be buying on the low, selling on the high. It's every May, it's pretty much slows right down, right?
So what? Okay, so then when does it pick back up?
Probably around September, October.
But last year, the cannabis stocks picked up at the end of July. Remember?
Yeah, but the cannabis is a whole complete different. That's a whole category in itself right now because everything's new, right? So I think for the cannabis stuff, I think everybody's going to be, depending on which stocks they're in, like I see people that have no fucking clue what they're doing, buying, they're like pre-IPO, I'm going to buy, sorry, is that a phone? I just had a phone call coming in. I had to hang up.
It's all good.
Sorry, lost my train of thought there too. I'm just rocking down busy street too. What was I saying? Like people that don't know what the fuck they're doing, they buy huge or they buy all these companies that like last year. Oh, I gotta buy a wheat stock now. Like I had everybody and their mother calling me. I told them what I was doing like 2 years ago, and they're like not getting in. Then they see on the news, oh, everybody's making money. Then they start calling me, oh, well, what's good? And I'm like, what's good? I told you what's good. Now it's so they buy the cheapest ones they could get in. And let's say last year was, let's say, huge. People were buying in, oh, it's 50 cents, 75 cents. Meanwhile, it's worth about 15 cents, 20 cents, you know what I mean? Everything's overvalued right now. And we gotta see what's this October at the end of, I'd say this time next year, it's gonna be a whole different. I see a whole different. Everything's gonna be, I'd say, close to double. I'd say Aurora will be double the price. Canopy will be double the price. That's my thoughts. Or at least, I'd say close to double the price.
Hey Joe, let me ask you a question. One of the members is asking you if you're still big on MMS.
I talked to my one boy who I talked to a lot about MMS. I'm not myself. They got a good deal going. I think it's going to run up again. It's just everybody wanted to take their profit, and like I said, in about 4 or 5 months. Right now it's low, high. You know what I mean?
So you think?
Everybody, I would have like I bought in at 2 cents and at 4 cents, and it ran up to 20. Sell your position, sell your cost position, and hold on to the rest for until it runs up again, right?
Yeah, I think that that's some pretty good advice. One of the question is, what is your opinion on Aurora Cannabis? Hey,
That's one of my biggest holdings.
Hey, Joe, you got to turn off your the video in the background between us.
I don't have a video in the background.
I hear some kind of like echo or something crazy.
I'm standing in the middle of Young Street right now, walking down the street. No video. I'm just on the phone. There's no
Weird.
There's no video going on.
Okay, cool. No worries. So one of the questions.
I think silver's gonna do good. I think platinum's gonna do good over the. Aurora is one of my biggest holdings.
So you believe Aurora is gonna double?
Yeah, I think Aurora's gonna double. But what I do like and what I don't like is they haven't made a partnership with anybody yet. But they're gonna be doing something with somebody because they gotta be getting some food, some edibles out, and some beverages out. And as to who they sign on with, right? I hope it's Coke, but I don't know. Who knows? I hope it's Coke, but who knows? You know, they need a big. I think their earnings aren't going to come out super strong, but their facilities are still going up, and they're putting out money right, left, and center to be the biggest producer. Right? You agree with that?
Yeah, absolutely.
And they're not selling it in Canada like half these other companies. They want it outside of Canada, like in all over the world. Because basically I'd say the black market's running Canada still. The gray market, black market, whatever you want to call it, is running Canada. And you still see the lineups at all these places in Canada, like they're around the block. When stuff comes in, you know what I mean? How are the facilities out where you are?
There's no license LPs really selling here. It's still the black market that's selling all the time.
Yeah, they're some of them are opening up. They're opening up one right downtown on Yonge and Dundas, which should be a pretty big location. I think they're doing. I read something about it today. Actually, I was doing a lot of reading today. I was looking at that Jewel buyout. Who bought it? The stock. Hold on, I'll tell you right now. It was. Take a screenshot of it. Actualia Group.
Who?
You hear me?
Who?
Actualia Group. I think the ticker's called MO.
Oh, Altria Group. Altria.
Yeah,
Altria. Yeah. Altria, the guys that own Kronos Group.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think those guys are monster right now at $54 a share.
Yeah.
That Jewel's selling really well. If they can start getting the pod cartridges in and shatter cartridges into the Jewel, then they got something there. But it's an expensive one. Everybody wants to get into the cheap stuff. I still think Oscan, I told you, and Zelda Therapeutics and Oscan are my two cheapos that I would load up with. I think Zelda Therapeutics is at like 2 to 3 cents right now, and Oscan's at like been holding strong at 30. I told you to grab it around 30 cents. It's like, what, 36 to 40 cents it ran up to, 42 cents. I think those companies in Australia are very strong.
No, I know you love those Australian companies.
Well, they're cheap, too.
No, I know they're cheap. You're right. You've been calling them. They've been doing good. You've called them both.
The Oscan was up at...
Let me ask you a question, because there's a good question that was brought up in the community here. How are all these companies reporting all these revenues when there's no stores selling anywhere? Like, where's this money coming from?
Well, in Toronto we have about 7 or 8. Then the online, but what I don't like about is I believe you have to sign in when you're buying stuff, or if you're licensed. Like I have, here's what I'm kind of killing one of my stocks here, but I was one of the first investors in T-God, and I was put on the beta program, and I figured, okay, I'm on the beta program. They're going to give me something for free or whatever. They want to charge me to try their weed $13 a gram, and I have to have a medical license. I do have a medical license, but I don't want to renew it, because if you do, then if you get pulled over, they have the new law out in Canada. Let's say you smoked something, they basically... let's say you smoked a joint within 2 hours of getting pulled over, or let's say somebody calls the police on you and says, you were smoking and driving. They caught they saw you throwing a joint out the window, right? Or whatever. They just smoked a whiff of weed and looked at you funny, right? And didn't like how you looked. You get home and let's say you crack a beer and you smoked a joint. A half an hour after you got home, police come and knock on your door an hour later, and they say, come with us, and if you don't go with them, then you get automatically charged with a DUI. If you do their test and it comes up that you got alcohol, you get, depending on the situation, you can get a DUI as well.
Oh yeah, it's very serious. Don't drink and drive, and don't smoke and fly, man.
Yeah, but I'm saying this is 2 hours after you got home.
Yeah, well, this is the crazy world that we're living in, right? That's why a lot of people are saying that we're not really getting freedom. What we're doing is we're going to become...
Exactly.
We're going to become... That's why they keep saying legalize weed, because they're saying we're not truly legalizing it. They're trying to criminalize it. They're trying to say, oh, now if you smoke it and drive, you're going to get a ticket, or you're going to get this, you're going to get that, and you're going to get fined this, you're going to get fined that. Oh, if you've been home for 2 hours and we catch you doing this, you're going to do this. So they're just taking away your freedom, really.
Exactly.
It's crazy stuff.
And it's happened to a few people now that I know. Like, it's really bad right now. The laws have got to change. Like, and you have to give them your ID and whatnot too. So now they got you on record of, you know what I mean? Like, oh, this guy has his license. So let's say you got a license to grow, or let's say you have a firearms license, right?
Yeah.
And I'll use a firearms license as a very good example. So let's say you go get your I think they call it a PAL now, right? The possession acquisition license for a handgun. The only time you can have your handgun is from going from your home, from a locked in a locked safe with your ammunition stored separately. And they got you on record for that, right? So let's just say they want to mess with you for whatever reason, the police. They say, oh, this guy's got his firearms license. And believe me, this has happened before from people I know too. They have the right to go in your house and make sure everything's safe, right? So they go in, you get arrested for it not being stored safe. Meanwhile, it is stored safe. They get to your guns. They take a picture of your firearms with your ammunition side by side, but it wasn't even like that. They put it like that, and you get that charge anyways. It's going to be basically the same thing with marijuana now. You sign up for your license, and now they know you have your marijuana license when they type in your name, let's say. And if they want to mess with you 2 hours after you got home, like how do they know if you smoked it 2 hours after you're home, an hour, you know what I mean? And I know people have already got this charge. It's already going through the court system, which is going to be going to the Supreme Court of Canada in a few different cases right now.
Yeah, it's going to be a disaster.
It's going to be a real disaster. It's like they're giving you the freedom to smoke, and then they're taking away at the same time. But I think it's called. One second, I'll tell you right now. Give me a second. I sent it to my buddy. This is for everybody in Ontario or in Toronto. It is called, weed is the one. It's called the Tokyo Smoke. It's opening the doors. Today, I think it opened the doors actually. It's called Tokyo Smoke. I don't know if you can pull it up, but it's right at Yonge and Dundas. Or no, tomorrow actually. Monday, May 6th. Grand opening is tomorrow. So tomorrow, Canopy's selling out of there, and I'm sure Aurora and whatever other small craft growers they want to bring in. There's actually one coming out. My buddy's doing.
That'll be good for Canopy. That'll be really good for Canopy.
Yeah. Well, that's why they put it at Yonge and Dundas, right? If you go down to Dundas Square, they got a big tweet sign up right in the middle of Dundas Square there.
Cool. Some people are positive. Some people are saying that even though the entire world will be red, the cannabis sector will still be green. So, I don't know. We'll see.
I think I think everything's gonna be. I think it's gonna slow down a little bit. Right now, most of the rest of the world, not the weed stocks, but everything else is gonna start slowing down right about now. It just sounds like right now, like what I see is the weed stocks are going to be the ones that are going up, and the artificial intelligence stuff. The AI stuff.
The AI, yeah. Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, machine learning. No, I agree. I like that stuff. I like all that technology.
All that stuff is going to go through the summer, and the weed stuff is going to go throughout the summer, and I think gold's going to spike up. Platinum's really going to spike up. Silver is going to do a major jump at some point. Overnight, it's going to go from $20 to $40.
So what do you do? Like, let's say tomorrow your account. I know you're holding a lot. So let's say tomorrow it's a big red day. Let's say everything goes down like 10%. Would you?
I missed the last.
Let's say tomorrow's a big red day and everything goes down 5-10%. Would you sell anything in a panic or no?
No. I buy more.
You'll buy more. So
you'll definitely buy more.
Okay.
But I don't. What I would buy more of is I don't know. I have a lot of Aurora right now. I think Canopy is definitely overpriced, but I do believe that it's going to be a $400 stock in a few years down the road.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw that projection of $400 stock in like 2024, and I was like, oh my goodness.
Yeah,
Can you imagine?
I believe that. Well, look at the Apple stock. We got in an Apple at $40, $50 in like 1989. My dad got into it, and it went up to $740, $750, split 10 times, and now it's back up to 200-ish and change, around there.
Yeah, it's been a darling for so many investors.
So you bought it in 1989, 20 years ago. You buy it for $60. I think my dad paid about 40 to 50. I got some shares. I didn't have much money then, so I bought like literally like 10 shares. I put it away, and my 10 shares went from whatever money I had then to from $40-$50 to $740. And instead of, let's say, the 10 shares that I had, now I got 100 shares, and now it's at 200 and something dollars, right?
Yes.
If it splits 10 times, then you're golden, and then it starts, and the ones that start paying the dividends too, and so like it can go really good, you know. Like Canopy is one of the ones that I think will do something like that. What's Amazon selling at right now?
Amazon's at almost 2,000. I think 1960 last time I looked.
1960, that's good.
1962.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it was up 3% on Friday and a monster day.
Well, that's not bad.
No, not at all.
I think
Yo, have you looked at Meta? META?
I think I did. I think I have it on my watch list.
I'm telling you, bro, they're a monster. 16 million in the quarter, put them in number 5 in Canada. 180 million shares issued outstanding. I mean, these guys are beasts. They're a money-making machine. They're 5th in Canada in revenue, and they're trading at 82 cents.
Yeah, I grabbed a bunch of Cannabis. I got Cannabis. I got one of the craft growers. I grabbed.
Hey, man, I hope you guys are right that are saying it's going to be up tomorrow. I hope you're right. I want them to go up tomorrow because I got money in the markets. I wouldn't care if I was in cash. Some of you guys are like, yo, Rich, you're looking panicky. I just don't like it when Trump does negative tweets about tariffs and then I see Asia down 4%. I know what that means. I know when the futures are down 400 points, what that means. It means that the markets are going to be red tomorrow. That's a fact. The markets are going to be red tomorrow, man.
Yeah, well, I already think that anyways, because I already knew before we were entering into May, sell some stuff off, which I did, but I basically didn't sell it off. I just traded it off. I traded a lot of my stuff for like I traded my labs for, let's say, oils. So I got labs at let's say $2 a share. It went up to about $6 a share. I sold that, and then I bought oils at, let's say, 50 cents. It went up to like 85 cents. I just did some switches like that, and then I grabbed. Hold on, just opening my account. I can't remember what I bought. Hold on. Almost there. I grabbed T-Gun to start creeping up there. I really like the T-Gun facility, and I like how Larison does their facilities. And T-Gun's at a perfect point where they were basically in the middle of the build, and they kind of saw where Aurora went wrong, and they could kind of fix it up on the Larison, on the T-God side before it was built, right? You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And NOB, oils, James E. Wagner I got.
Oh, you picked up. Yeah, I've been looking at those guys for a long time, man. I haven't pulled the trigger on them yet, though.
I pulled the trigger on them. I pulled the trigger on Cannabis. Planet 13 I'm holding. ACB I'm holding.
How much Cannabis did you get?
Pardon me?
How much Cannabis did you get?
Cannabis in my TFSA account, I only have 5,000 shares in my TFSA side, and then on my the other side I have I think 20,000 shares on the other side.
Oh wow, you got a lot. 20,000 shares. Good for you. Holy shit. I'm telling you, Cannabis is one of those you just hold that for a while, bro.
Yeah, it's like my canopy. I got about 3,500 canopy in around there right now. MMS I'm still holding. I got about 250,000 shares of MMS. Zelda Therapeutics, I got about Zelda Therapeutics. I might go in with them pretty heavy and go with like 500,000 shares of them.
Wow, that's at 3 cents, right? Zelda's at 3 cents.
I got 250,000.
Zelda, ZLDA.
I got it on the my phone keeps ringing. Sorry, just sending people off. But on the new Samsung S10 and the fingerprint reader on it's brutal. I got it on mine through Royal. It's ZLDAF.
Yes.
The ticker.
Yeah, it's at 3 cents. Why do you like this company so much? Just because they're cheap?
They're cheap, and they've been going at it with a lot of stuff in the healthcare division, like for cancer testing. Like they've been doing a lot of testing, a lot of research has gone into a lot of, and
their balance sheet has been going down. Like just looking at their balance sheet, it's been going down. That's why the stock's been going down.
Yeah. Well, hopefully that changes. And Oscan, what does it say with Oscan?
Let me see. But they are bullish on Webull. Webull is bullish on them, 100% buy.
I wonder what they say in Oscan. Because I want to grab another 20,000 shares of Oscan.
Oscan.
Or I'm gonna go in
They're
with
both.
like 50,000 shares.
They're bullish. They're bullish. They're bullish on Oscan. 25%. It's at 25 cents. They're 100% bullish on Oscan. Let's see their revenues. Oh wow, Oscan. Yo, you're right, bro. Oscan has $30 million in the bank.
Yeah, bro. They're with Labs and they're with Canopy.
So it jumped from 10 million to 30 million. So that's good. It's at 25 cents. $30 million in the bank.
But mine right now shows it in Canadian, and it's 30 fucking phone.
Yo, what kind of phone you have, bro?
The Samsung S10 Plus.
Why is it so like such bad reception?
I don't know. And the fingerprint reader on it sucks too. Cost me almost $2,000. It's a crap phone. It says.
Yo, what about North? North exploded on Friday.
Yeah, I don't have North.
Fuck, they had a huge day on Friday.
I think Delta 9 is a good one too.
Yes, Delta 9 Cannabis, yes.
I don't have much of that. But on Friday, it was a red day, right?
Yes.
I made my intra-trade day, so from Thursday to Friday I made $4,738 profit on the intra-trade. Like, it shows me, like, every day from the day before what I made close to $4,800 on Friday, and everybody was complaining they lost money, so I can't really complain.
Oh, you got your hands on the right picks then, clearly.
Yeah, it says Delta 9 went up 1.4%. Australia's went up 2%. Canopy went up 61 cents, and my T-Guard went up 12 cents. But I'm
It's not
holding a
bad.
lot of T-Guard in this account. So I guess my T-Guard is what pulled me through.
Yeah, they had a good day. All right, Joe, listen, buddy, I'm going to head out here pretty soon. Thank you very much for joining. I hope tomorrow we don't have a red day. I hope we don't have a red day tomorrow. And what I'll do is we'll stay in touch tomorrow. We'll talk about it. Okay, buddy?
Yeah, for sure. I'm going to go back and watch the video of this when I get in. I'm just after dinner.
All right, brother. Have a great dinner, man. I hope tomorrow we don't see any blood. Hope it's all green in your account, in my account, and everybody's account.
And guys, remember, if you see blood, jump in the water and buy. You know?
Buy the red. Buy the red.
Yeah, buy the red, sell the green, and what was the other thing? And if you can't afford to lose it, don't play with it. Most important part. If you can't afford to lose it, don't play with it.
Yep.
All right?
All right, buddy.
Okay.
All right. Cheers.
Nice. All right. All right.
That is Joe from Toronto. So, yeah, I don't know, man. I know some of you guys are very positive. You think it's going to be a green day tomorrow. I hope you're right. When I see Asia red, when I see the futures are red, I just think that it's going to be a tough day tomorrow, but I hope I'm wrong. Is hemp a go? Now, are you talking about hemp go, food and fiber in Canada, or are you talking about hemp in America? I don't know, man, about the hemp in America. And even the hemp go, I don't even know about that one either right now. I'm not in love with either of them. Talking about hemp go? Indivas at 51 cents. To the moon tomorrow. It would be nice. Big Zini, it would be nice. Let's try to will it. Let's try to will it, okay? Let's try to will the green. We need a will the green song. Hey, guys, thank you for the 69 likes. 69 is a great number. There's that 69, the singer. And then there's other meanings for the number. And there's 70 likes now. 73 likes? Wow. Greatest community on earth. Right here, right now, on a Sunday, late night, early in some places. You're pumping it? Oh, Big Zini saying CHM and T-God. Ooh, CHM. Good point. I would definitely put CHM on an alert. I think there's some big things that are coming. That's for sure. That is definitely for sure. We need some positive winning music. You guys have any requests? You guys have any requests for some winning music from Ill Kid? Anybody? Yes, CHM has Nico Escondido on the board. Correct. Game changer. Game changer. I can only play our own music. Our own music due to copyright laws. How long before Cannabis hits $2? Could hit this week. Oh, you want to hear the troll song? Full alert. I haven't heard troll hunting in a while, but I don't see any trolls. Headshot. We got one full alert. We got one headshot, one troll song. What else? Naked trading. One naked trading. Let's get a second of something. Let's make it unanimous. Naked trading. Oh, naked trading. Let's get naked tomorrow, maybe. Maybe that's what we need. Maybe that's what we need. Some naked trading. 369. Let's go. 79 likes. Wow. Thank you for the 79 likes. The best community on YouTube right here, right now. Right now, live. It's up and down, merry-go-round. Naked trading. Naked trading. Naked trading. I'm a wild boy, born in the 80s. Stay close to the weed like we dating. IGNG, simply we beat. Double up the money like I mess with a Siamese. Flash on the haters when I pull up a hot beam. Yo, have you guys seen my new cards? Yo, they're tight, eh? Yo, check this out. Cash is king, that thing not a joke. Clubs are on board, riches on board. Sergio is here now, where's my encore? It's naked trading, take your clothes off, money falling like a train. Naked trading, the phone never go, never fading. Naked trading, the strip teeth, if you please, we not waiting. Naked trading, and we on the street every week, we'll be trading. Yo, check this out. Yo, who's got cards like this? 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 Yo. The gold, like they bling, yo. They bling from far still, like bling.
Hey, you're invited. My name is Ross Cameron, and I'm the author
Ross
of the
Cameron?
book titled Cannabis.
What are you doing on my channel?
What are you doing on my channel?
You want more chicks in my vids? I do videos with girls all the time. Amanda. Yeah, Ross is cool, man. I got no issues with Ross. He's good, man. So, yeah, man. We just dropping cards now. We dropping hits. We dropping picks. It's just getting crazy, man. It's just getting crazy, yo. Ross hit his 1 milli shout out. I don't even know what that means. Buying the red, selling the gold, baby. Ross showed you the way. Hey, man, that's awesome. He's very good at what he does. I got no hate for anybody that can beat the markets and win in the markets. Apparently, he said he could turn like, what was it, $5,000 into 100 grand or something, or $2,000 or $500 to 100 grand. That's some crazy shit. If he can actually do that, I'd want to learn too. You know what I mean? Show me how to turn $500 into 100 G's. I'll do that shit. What do you got to do? Pay $5,000? How much you got to pay to learn how to turn $500 into 100 grand? You know what I mean? He is one of the only long-only traders. You just got all the videos from the net. It's free. Cool. Cool. Yeah, I don't really short much myself. Not really ever. I've done it a few times. Don't promo Ross in here. I'm not promoting anybody. He showed up on my naked trading at the end of the song. So it was funny. Okay, we need to will the green tomorrow. This is one of my favorite songs. I'm not gonna lie. I love Ill Kids music. I love this song. This song gets me hype.
Never giving up, I keep on fighting. You can never bully me cause I'm a giant. You can never worry me cause
We summoning the green. Could we have some green tomorrow? Will the markets go straight up? Straight up, straight up, straight up.
I ain't never fucking with the haters, mate. I'ma keep on moving power up just like it's
Gatorade.
You ain't got the money, broke jokers fade away. In it for the stock, goddamn, I made a K today. Outer space, I should really be an astronaut. Flying with the stars, smoking on the moon, so pass the blunt. Snakes hiding in the grass, pulling out the lawnmower.
82 likes, let's go. Will I dip in the PRPO pond? Probably not.
You know that we gon' conquer mountains, and we gon' get this money with my
Brothers,
and if you hating on the click, you
suckers, straight up, 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 straight up. Keep on fighting. Giant. Titan. Fighting. Giant. Titan.
I see your vision strictly diminished. The system divided the mission. You ain't got permission from the coalition. You a rat, but I took you for a dog type. Thought you was down for the cause, but you lost sight. Eye for an eye, but now the haters blindfolded. You can't think for yourself because your mind's stolen. You can't speak for yourself because your lies choking. Now you can't see for yourself because your eyes closing. I don't hear, I don't speak, I don't see no evil. Because I'm good with myself and I will love the people. And you ain't good with yourself, that's why I call you weasel. But when you look in the mirror, you think that we are equal. I'm trying to give you insight, but it's never working. I just pray one day you'll be a better person. I'm just trying to give you insight, it's never working. I just pray one day you'll be a better person. Never giving up, I keep on fighting. You can never bully me cause
I'm a giant.
you can never worry me cause I'm a giant.
Stay in cash. Cash is king. Fighting. Giant. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Straight up, straight up, straight up. That's crazy, man. That's really crazy. So, IGNG, hello, that ship has sailed. I don't think so. Something in my gut tells me that IGNG will resurrect again. I got some FOMO. FOMO, yeah, you know the deal. Spin the wheel. What?
F-O-M-O, yeah, you know the deal. If you want to take a chance, go ahead and
Spin the wheel.
I know you missed it, but we gon' get it back. Get it back. Triple shrimp ink. Look, that's how we shag. SHMP, we call it
Or
for
blew up.
I bet you wish you had it in your hands and that you
Drew.
knew it. We gon' get this money. Don't be scared to get
This
this
money.
money. Not afraid to get
This
this
money.
money. You always on my mind. This
Money.
money. It might slip about your hands, but the crew is here to reinforce. Rich TV.
84 likes. Let's go.
You got some dollars, go invest that shit. Cause the fear of missing out will leave you desperate. Make some money.
I got
go and
so
buy yourself
many
a nigga list. Or start it out.
stocks that I want. And if it is red, I'm going to tell you guys the ones I want, okay? I want CGC. I want Meta. F-O-M-O, yeah, you know the deal. Spin the wheel. F-O-M-O, yeah, you know the deal. Spin the wheel. I think IGNG is going to come back. I'm feeling it.
I think I'd rather listen to the phone ring. Pick up, cause the money keep on calling though.
Yo, Il Kid's a legend, man.
Chasing rainbows, I'm always down for a pot of gold. And when the stocks are calling shit, I'm like, I gotta go. If you never watch, I guess you all missing out. Never winning, I'ma keep on spending, never running out. Yo, this the bigger route. Your index we checking out. If you got some promo, then please never have a second out. FOMO stay real with me. FOMO so real. FOMO stay real with me. You know the deal. The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real.
What?
The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real.
F-O-M-O, yeah, you know the deal.
If you wanna take a chance, go ahead and
Spin the wheel.
The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real.
What?
The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real.
F-O-M-O, yeah, you know the deal.
If you wanna take a chance, go ahead and
Spin the wheel. Man, love that FOMO, man. But FOMO is real. I have a mad FOMO for Canopy Growth right now. Like, Canopy Growth. So ridiculous. And then Rivers is Canopy 2.0. So I got mad FOMO for Rivers. And I got mad FOMO for AUSA, which is Aurora 2.0. And I'm not in Aurora right now because I got out of Aurora and because it wasn't moving. So I was like, okay, let me go into something else. So I kind of got FOMO for Aurora too, but not really because it's not doing anything. But Canopy Growth, my goodness. And the other one that I've really been looking at is Afria. I got some FOMO for Afria right now. I don't know why. I just feel like it's been getting beat up and it's going to be a chance to pick it up soon. Yeah, CHM looks good, man, Big Zini. Patience is reward, 100%. Yeah, CHM did have a little dip. It's been higher. It's been on a crazy run. They got some huge guys involved. I wouldn't be surprised to see CHM have a massive week. Good call there, Big Zini. 86 likes, guys. Thank you guys for the 86 likes. That's just unbelievable. On a Sunday, 86 likes. Wow. Incredible. Yeah, I think CHM is going to be good too. They got very good share structure. I think it was like 34 million shares issued and outstanding and only 25 million in the float. CHM in Canada, CHMJF in America. Chemistry, technology. Ianthus has been getting beat up, so definitely they're going to be a buy soon. They've been getting beat up a lot. Thank you, Big Zini. I appreciate it, man. You're the man, bro. I like your picks too, man. You've been right about a lot of your picks. I've watched you. I've watched you for a long time. I know you've been watching me, so I got respect for anyone who can make good picks and be a long-term investor because I'm a long-term investor. What happened to Agroflora? I don't know. Weird. They were on fire and then they started to consolidate. So I'm holding it. I like the company. I think it has potential to be a monster. But just like you, I'm shocked that it had a crazy run and it's just stopped. you can't really be shocked. Anytime anything explodes, you got to expect that it's going to come back to life, come back to reality. Nothing just goes up forever. There's always resistance at some point. What's my average share size? I typically like to get like at least, it's usually about prices. I usually invest like a certain amount. It's usually between 2,000 to 10,000 per investment. That's kind of like, sometimes I do more, 2,000 to 20,000 per holding. Even maybe a little less sometimes, 1,500 to 20,000 per holding. If it doesn't hold 46, I'd sell and buy cheaper. You're saying I should sell my agri position? No, I'm not going to sell. I'll just buy more at a lower price, lower my cost. I don't like selling for a loss. I'm not a big fan of that. Because then if it goes up, then you feel like an idiot. I don't know. I think it's a pretty good company. I think it can go to $1 if I'm patient. I think it will go to $1 if I'm patient. Usually like to lower my average cost. No, I understand that, Big Zini. I get it. I hope it doesn't go down to 46. Are you talking about in Canada? 46 is the support? I guess, yeah, it must be in Canada. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's at 48.5 cents. Yeah, just reading all their news here. So Agroflora has 8.2 million in assets in the last quarter, 2.5 million in liabilities. So for a small company, it's not bad. DNN, your thoughts. DNN. Never heard of DNN. Denison Mine, 52 cents on the Amex. 371,000 in volume, up 4%. So the analyst rating is a 50% buy and a 50% hold, so it's okay. Oh, they are 100% bullish on Webull on them. Interesting. Wow. 228 million on the balance sheet in assets at 52 cents. $3 million in revenue and income in the quarter. Interesting. Very interesting. 228 million in assets, and the stock over the last 5 years has never been higher than $1.40. Something's wrong with that. You're welcome, Rich. I just don't understand. Like, how come if they have that much revenue and that much assets, they're unable to do anything with their security? Maybe you should get them on Rich TV Live, and then you'll be thanking me. Yeah, I think Cannabis has the potential to be, obviously right now, as far as capacity and licensing and growing space, they have the potential to be the third largest in the world, not just Canada right now. 479,300 kgs of dried flower and 183,000 kgs of extraction. So I think it's going to be massive. Big Zini believes that chemistry is going to have a big day tomorrow. I also think that bit chemistry is going to have a big week as well. You're down on Biz and ERY and thinking they should be up in the morning. Blockchain? 3 cents? Talking about blockchain stock? Blockchain. Sorry, blockchain? ERY. Inverse Biotech. Is that at $17.74? Interesting. $17. It's come down over the last 5 days tremendously. What's going on? Or the last 5 years, I apologize. It's come down from $25, $26 the beginning of the year all the way to 17. Down 21% this year. 50% bullish. I don't know about this one. Yo, what's up, party people? Thank you guys for joining. We got 88 likes. Thank you guys for the 88 likes. It means so much. 61 people here, 62 people here now on a Sunday evening, and we are gearing up for the markets tomorrow. There is a scare in the markets because futures are red and Asia is red. So a lot of people are anticipating a red day tomorrow, including me. I hope I'm wrong. I am holding shares right now. I'm not holding cash. I will be putting in, well, I have other cash, but in my account right now, it's all in the markets. So I'm not wanting a red day tomorrow, but I do have cash in other accounts that I'm going to be looking to put in soon. So if the market does go down, it will create a buying opportunity. So that will be a good thing. Good advice, Big Zini. Big Zini says you can never predict 5 days into the future, let alone 5 years. Just keep increasing your stop limit so that you sell near the top, whatever you're trading. Very good advice. Yeah, I like sugar, bud. Big Zini says it'll be red, but it might be a great buying opportunity. Yeah, those are the best days. Wow, 92 likes, guys. We're 8 away from 100. Thank you guys for the 92 likes. Thank you. Really means a lot. Got 2,000 shares at $1 in change. CFMS. Is it time to sell? CFMS. Conformis. Wow. Big run. Definitely. Wow. What the hell? Jeez. From 10 cents to $2? Am I seeing this correctly? Or is that not 10 cents? What is that? Oh, about 35 cents? Crazy. CFMS has been on a crazy run, up 97% in the last year. CFMS. My goodness. Yeah, Big Zini says MJ sector is the strongest sector. Don't panic. I agree with you there. 94 likes. Wow. Thank you guys. Have I ever heard of LVGI? LVGI. Limitless. 001 penny stock. Up 233% so far this year. Interesting. So they're trying to go fully reporting. Oh, these guys are getting into cannabis, eh? Interesting. I like it. Thank you for this pick, Cleon. Thank you. I like these types of picks. LVGI. Interesting. LVGI. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to put that in the Telegram right now. Beast. You're a beast, bro. DKSC. Is that getting into cannabis too? Let's see. DKSC is also getting into cannabis, eh? Because I know that was a dirty penny stock back in the day, I think. Wow, 002 up 425% in the last year. Interesting. Interesting. Just dropping it in the Telegram group so people in the community know. We're up to 94 likes. Wow. 66 people watching on a Sunday. Unbelievable. Thank you guys, man. You guys are the best. 95 likes. Wow. Let's see if we can get to 100. I'm going to put a song on. Do you guys have any requests of a song you want to hear? I want to get to 100, man, before we call it a night. Let's hit that 100 mark. This is my favorite. I'm going to tell you guys my favorite song right here. I love this song. Oh, Ill Kid, man. Ill Kid, you're a beast, bro. This song is like a dream come true right here.
I don't do this for the clout. I don't do this for the clout. You can just get off my clout. You can just get off my clout. Haters stop bringing me down. I know you loving the sound. I know you loving the sound. Baby, just look at me now. Henny in my cup, yeah, straight up. I don't fuck with no ice cubes. Diamond stay dripping. I'm a white boy, nice whip with some nice moves. Bruce Lee smoking loose leaves. You swear I'm doing some kung fu. Got a trunk full of birds. Sit down, we playing duck goose. Yeah. I ain't beginning, I've been here before. Haters are mad while I even the score. I lay on the beach, take a peek at the shore. My wife is a diamond, you sleep with a whore. I'm on the reserve in my chef, we stay cooking. The maids are so dirty, that mean they good looking. And if you get caught, then you best to be cooking. The recipe dope, yes, it has to be cooking. This is no kid and play, I got shit to say. I got homies in the CFL to the NBA, word of juice anyways. I don't do this for the clout. I don't do this for the clout. You can just get off my clout. You can just get off my clout. Haters stop bringing me down. I know you loving the sound. I know you loving the sound. Baby, just look at me now. Yeah, talking my shit. This a rocky shit. 3 seconds, I'm a blast off. Alpha Omega, see, I am the past, present, future, really no mask off. Fucking with rich, we getting rich. Yeah, you know my stack strong. Smoking in Philly, it's illy, it's silly. How many trolls trying to take along? Blaze 2, then I'm back again. I got the keys and you can't get in. I do not take an L, so I just had to win. I run with killers and shooters and savages. I do not listen to you. I do not miss off the kill. I'm in the midst of Peru. Make no mistake, you in the lake, so they go fishing for you. Shooting like my name is Juice. Yo, I mix and produce. Christopher's loose. Listen to haters, they broke, but it's funny. I'm getting money like I'm Mr. Magoo. Greedy as fuck, but I'm humble as shit. I'm the lyrical with it, you mumble as shit. Ghost Riders right in the ball of your head. The bitch is with me and she sucking the dick. I don't do this for the clout. I don't do this for the clout. You can just get off my clout. You can just get off my clout. Haters stop bringing me down. I know you loving the sound. I know you loving the sound.
Oh my
Baby, just
goodness.
look at me now.
You guys see that? The Dow futures down 500 and falling. Oh my goodness. We might have a full alert for shorting. Shorting is on a full alert. Run and hide. It's a full alert for shorting. It's not looking good, folks. Not looking good. It's a bloodbath in the futures trade. KSHB. I like KSHB.
We gave you all the answers. TRST shit, you know it's cancerous. Don't forget about Aprio. We brought you in the harvest, but why you hate on the kid? Shit, that shit is bogus. It's the 52 we low. That's just how it go. Rich TV is here. We about to make some dope. Right on everything in January. Shit is popping now. Rolling up some good in the backwood. Yeah, we pumping clouds. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you.
Let's go.
ACB on top, and after you're right next to that shit in the second slot. I'm like Jordan in his prime, shooting with Pippen, making money all the time, fucking with some Pippen. Kush bottles ain't going nowhere, you know it's gaining hype, and if you ain't watching, you ain't winning. It's time to say goodnight. Casino with the fever, that shit diva, just with the heater. You can leave it with diva. I don't fuck with the non-believers. Fire in my pocket, make my way up to Supreme. If you bet on this company, then you gon' make some cream. And so I got lots of that. It's about to pop it fat. I ain't gotta stop the rap and tell you that you copping that. Vivo, I got it in my speedo. With eyes closed, eating burritos. I'm chopping on some Cheetos. You know, I'm like, hey, you gotta buy that shit. It's the new strike on these haters in the missile that you hate. Yeah. Full alert, full alert, full alert. 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 That's dirty, right? And I think we should do like a full alert song. Full alert.
100 billion dollars. 100 likes. Thank you guys, man. You guys are the bomb, man. Big Zini has a very good strategy. I'm going to read it here. My strategy is always the same. OESX. I'd hop in, but keep a stop limit of 149 because if it doesn't hold 150, forget about it. When it lifts off, keep increasing the limit. That's how you sell near the top, my friend. Very good strategy. Why does Yahoo Finance give them a $1.80 one-year estimate? Well, maybe that's where they believe they'll be. And if they are, then they'll be one of the greatest picks in the next year. They'll be up, 1,800%? Big Zini says, I usually get stopped out of my trades in the green. Very good trading, Big Zini. Big Zini, do you trade full time? Is this your full-time job? Wow, 103 likes. You guys are beasts, man. Thank you guys for all the likes. It really means a lot. I appreciate you guys, man, so much. Increase the stop limit, yeah, and trailing order isn't good. You have to map support resistance levels yourself, IMO. AFLM says follow the trend. Big Zini says it is. I have another income too, working towards full-time trader. Wow. Good job, Big Zini. I like the way you trade, man. We can definitely keep a close eye on your picks, man. Always share your picks here because I've been watching your picks and you've done very well. Okay, guys, listen, thank you guys for all of you guys. I hope tomorrow we don't have a bloodbath. I have a feeling we will. Futures are crashing, which is scary. Hopefully it's just a trick and we don't have that happen to the markets on a global scale. Hopefully the cannabis sector is strong and I'll keep you guys updated on everything as it happens. Right now, it doesn't look very positive. Am I scared? I'm not feeling good about it. It doesn't ever feel good to lose money. So hopefully we can get our headshot tomorrow. Hopefully we find winners. Let's go out on a headshot. Let's stay positive. Let's hope for the big green. Thank you guys for the 103 likes. Thank you for watching an hour and a half live on a Sunday. I must be nutty. Must be crazy, guys. Crazy, man. Crazy, man. Yeah, man. Every day is a war in the market. Let's go, champs. Y'all can't do it like me. 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 Check it like a pair of Nikes. I keep it rocking, I'm stopping, I'm popping, I jump in a fresh white tee. Oh, so now you make songs? Now you want to sing along? I bet you do it all wrong. I am a king and you are a pawn. I've been talking about stocks. I've been giving out lots. Pulling up like it was socks. This shit is heavy as rocks. You was just pulled up the docks. That mean you drowning, you looking around, and I know that you want to be biting my style. Or you think you must be wild? I ain't aroused. That's just how I will get down. We were here first, talking all the pics. You was in the back talking all the shit. We was grinding, making all the hits. Now you jealous and you can't stand it. Rich has been here, you ain't been there. Circle tight, yeah, you been square. It's time to open the letter. Hope you don't fall out a ladder. I know you tight, like to be frontin'. You was a troll, hit the like button. Getting on dab, you think you can rap? I laugh. Please, let's see you write something. Stick to the script, can't do it like this. Look at the wrist with the assist. Remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything we talk about here on Rich TV Live. I'm not a licensed advisor. I'm in the trenches just like you guys. I'm learning to trade every day just like you guys. Have I been trading for a long time? Yes. Do I feel like I've learned a lot in the markets? Yes. Do I have a lot of experience with private and public companies? Yes. Have I won a lot in the markets? Yes. Have I lost in the markets? Yes. Do I think that I can get better? Yes. Do I think I have a lot to learn? Yes. If you're not winning, are you watching? Some of you yes, some of you no. If you're not winning, you're probably not watching. We bring you the winners. We bring them to you first. We break them down. We analyze them. We bring you the news. We bring you trending topics. We bring you 420 events. We bring you CEO interviews. We bring you videos of the beach. And we vlog. We talk about stocks. We talk about sports. We have fun and we make money. Here at Rich TV Live, and we now have a trading academy too. So if you're looking for training and trading, we got it all here at Rich TV Live. Entertainment, education, trading academies, you name it, we got it. It's true. We now are working with Webull. If you're looking for a trading app, it's free. We are working with Questrade if you're looking for a trading account. And we work with J. Lewis Trading if you're looking for a trading academy. And Rich TV Live, we are a media company, and we're strictly for education and entertainment purposes, trying to make stock trading fun, entertaining, easy to learn, and not so scary for the people, okay? Because it can be overwhelming. A lot of people get scared. We want to make it fun. We want to make it easy so everybody can learn how to trade. All right, guys. I love you guys. I'm out. Peace.
Was the kid rockin' with Rich? Can't stop till I get a million hits. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. No, y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. 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 I don't wanna say no names and you'll blow like propane. Cause clout riding is so lame. My rhymes fresh like Colgate. It's funny you copy the whole thing. Scarecrow, you got no brain. You can test the boy, I got no shame. Crew looking like Soul Train. Look in the other direction. You are not part of the section. You do not make an impression. You should just change your profession. This is the years in the making. You can't just copy the page. This is experience, idiots. Listen, you can't just copy the wave. Nah, I'm just playing for keeps. Fucking with Rich TV. Your platform is growing. I know that it's showing. We like 60,000 people deep. This original, no subliminal. We maximize, you minimal. This critical, analytical. You hysterical. This a miracle. You other cats so boring. On your channel, I'm snoring. Why you hitting the recording? You should just die off horribly. Sick of the same old story. I think you triggered the light. Rich TV is here. And we much bigger than life. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. No, y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me.